What is up, Old Souls fam? It's a Wednesday. I got the morning and afternoon off, so I'm gonna go for an oil change. I had to go and get everything back on the car. All the mirrors, all the bumpers, all the everything. And yeah, whew, that was a lot of work this morning. But I don't think I've gotten an oil change in legit 2 years in this thing. Haven't even driven it 3,000 miles, but I need to get one anyway. So we're gonna go do that. And I have my EM1 rims right there. We're gonna go price out some tires for those guys, because man, do I gotta get these fat fives off the car. I just do not like them at all. So let's do that. We're gonna drive around in this thing. I just got new renewal tags for it. I should be good to go. I'm also gonna test out my gold mirrors that I made. Not made, but that I made gold. Right there. And I'm gonna see how I like them. I need to polish them up a little bit more, but I just wanna see if you can actually see out of it. So, we're gonna try all that out. I'm gonna drive the car around a little bit. I need to drive the car around. So, let's do that. All right. Oh, and I haven't driven it in so long that it's dead already. Oh, I gotta charge it. Son bitch. All right, hang on. All right, we're on. I hope my battery's not dead. I've been charging it and kind of taking it out of the garage and whatnot, but I haven't really gone anywhere in a really long time in the Del Sol since I started sanding. So I hope that the battery's not toast, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, so everything seems to be running good. We're idling good. It's definitely got to warm up a little bit though, but my radio's pretty dope. I love this new radio. It sounds great. Yeah, definitely don't like the mirrors. I either got to polish the shit out of them and try to make them real shiny like an actual mirror, or those aren't gonna work at all. But that's okay. I was just trying something out. So, I don't know. We'll keep working on those. I might just need some spoon overlays, maybe, like those blue ones. But we'll see. I don't know. But I gotta figure out where to mount this bad boy. All right, first oil change done in the Del Sol since I got it 3 years ago. That's pretty crazy. So I'm sure it'll drive great. And it's weird. My brake light was on before the oil change. Now it's off. So who knows what that's about. And I priced out some tire options here for the EM1 rims. So we'll look at that and figure out what I'm gonna do. But it's looking like Toyo Proxies or Nitto Neogens, and the expensive one was a Continental Extreme Contact, which, boy, that's pricey. Ooh, boy. But I'll show you guys that when I get back home. A lot better. Sounds good. When people see me driving this around, they're probably like, oh my God, what is that thing? God, it looks terrible. Well, that's because it does look terrible right now. And yeah, that's okay. We're slowly working on it. All right. I really need to hit VTAC here. Jesus, guy, fucking turn. It's an empty road. made it back home. First time I've had the Del Sol out in like a year, like legit, to go somewhere and get something done. First oil change in forever. It runs way better now. It just, yeah, I needed an oil change so bad. So I also went to see what I could get as far as tires for the EM1 rims. And here's kind of what they had. I wanted Federal 595s, but they can't order those at Tire Walker because I have free oil changes from a previous set of tires there, so I just take it there. But we're looking at some Toyo Proxies that are $76. Some Nitto Neogens for $116. And then some super expensive Continental Extreme Contact Sport. Probably gonna go with the Toyo Proxies because those are way fucking cheaper. And the EM1 rims aren't the rims that I'm gonna be rocking when I get the Del Sol ready for new rims. I just like these ones better than I like the Fat Fives. So these are like a temporary set of rims. And my buddy Kev at LOL's Kev, talked me out of the expensive ones. So thank you for that, Kev. And I think I'm going to go those Toyo Proxy routes. But maybe next week. Yeah. We need to paint this thing. Christ, do we need to paint this thing. But I got to go mess around with the children, make everybody some lunch. So hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Till next time. Peace.